If you've accidentally deleted a contact on your Samsung Galaxy phone, don't worry. There's a built-in recovery option that usually saves the day. Samsung provides a contacts recycle bin trash feature, which temporarily stores deleted contacts for up to 30 days. This means if you act within that time, you can easily bring them back without any technical skills or third-party apps. To recover your contacts, start by opening the Contacts app on your Samsung phone. Once it's open, look at the top of the screen and tap the three-line menu icon, or sometimes three dots depending on your model. From the list of options, select Recycle Bin or Trash. Inside this section, you will see all the contacts you've recently deleted. Scroll through the list and find the contact you want to restore. You can tap and hold it or enter selection mode, then choose the contacts you need. After selecting, simply press the restore button at the bottom of the screen. In just a moment, your contact will be returned to your main contact list, exactly where it was before deletion. It's a quick and safe process, and you don't need any internet connection or extra apps. However, remember one important thing: if more than 30 days have passed, Samsung automatically removes the contact permanently, and recovery from the recycle bin won't be possible anymore. So, if you ever notice a missing contact, it's best to check the trash right away before it's gone for good.